Are you looking for a Skin Melt Lace 360 wig that'll be stuck to your head and going nowhere? And she's glueless and she lays comfortably around the ears, girl. So comfy. Keep on watching. I'll show you step by step how I install this beauty so that you can do it too. Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and just won't let go, well this is the channel for you, so make sure you are subscribed so that you can keep vibing with your girl. I will not waste your time, beautiful. We gonna get straight into it. Ashimary Hair sent me this gorgeous 360 glueless wig with beautiful water wave curls. It comes with the usual goodies, you know, the wig caps, the works. And that hairstyle right there on the page, the front page, I want to try that. That is cute. Stay tuned. I will make a shorts. Anywho, let's get back into the start of the show. Pre-plucked beautifully, pre-cut, pre-bleached, everything done for you. Don't we like that? Don't you like the sound of that? And it comes with a glueless strap that you can remove and combs that you can remove. And it comes with that invisible strap that we all love for that snug fit behind that head, girl. We are going to install this beauty glueless. Absolutely glueless. And she's full straight to the end. Look at them curls. Straight out of the box. Curls are gorgeous. Don't we love a full wig? Yes, we do. And look at that robe. Thank you, Ashimary. I feel so special, but I'm a little hot, so we're going to take that off real quick. Now let's get into the install. First and foremost, we got to match it to our skin tone. Every single product I use will be in the link below, including this gorgeous wig. We're going to adjust the strap. And then we're going to tuck in the comb in the back of the head for that secure fit. And when I tell you I love how superbly this wig was pre-plucked. Like that, they left no crumbs. Ashimary, you did that. Let's stop playing around and adjust the wig. We're going to adjust it, carefully. But yes, I love that it fits my big head. It's so hard to find a 360 glueless wig for my big head. And if you're a big head girly, a big head queen, you know the struggle. Ashimary said, we got you, girl. And it fits comfortably around the ears. You ain't got to worry about cutting it. They did literally everything for you. All you got to do is peel back that tape and apply it to your skin. And it will hold tight, girl. As long as your skin is clean and wipe down, it'll hold right on to your skin. It'll grip. I know what I'm trying to say, girl, And look at that. Perfection. And of course, I'm extra. I'm going to add that melting spray. You don't have to. You could have left it alone, girl. You don't have to do any extraness. But I added some melting spray and adjust the strap, tuck it in. And it is snug. When I tell you it's snug, it's not tight. It's just comfortably snug, And I love that for me, for my big head. Again, it's a real struggle, as you can tell. It's been a struggle trying to find a 360 wig that fits my big head, without me having to maneuver and finesse. Not with this one. Now we're going to style her. After we tie her down, just for a few, and all I'm going to use to define these curls are water and my Updo mousse, and we're going to diffuse her to, dry her up she was dried up for about 98%, and I did add some layers as well in the face framing layers. That's about it. I may or may not add layers to the rest of the wig for that va-va-voom extra rounded look. I don't know. I be scared to do that. Let me know if you guys want to see that. See me attempt to do it. It won't be a tutorial. It will be me attempting to do it. I may or may not fail. We shall see. So here I am brushing it out, and the hair smells so good. I mean, it smells pretty good. It doesn't have that factory smell. It smells pretty good, and we love that. So brushing it out, it poofed out beautifully. It's not like too puffy, it's not too thin, it's just right for that natural look. I'm in love with this wig. And I experienced very little shedding. It's a curly wig, so it's gonna shed, but it wasn't massive at all. And to be honest with you, I kind of like it like this. What y'all think? Let me stop playing around. Let's keep going. We're gonna add the layers that I was talking about. First, you gotta cut the ends of the hair because it's that squiggly, diggly ends. We gotta get rid of that. And look, check it out. All right, let's get into cutting the ends. So we're gonna snip just a little bit, not too much. Don't be scared to cut just an inch or two. Trust me, it'll make a difference. It'll make a huge difference. And to be honest with you, I could have cut a little more, just a little more. I'd be scared too. So after all of that, we add the water and the mousse. And that's it, girl. That's the install. All we're doing right now is styling her, and that's the most fun part. Honestly, the whole thing is fun, but you saw how easy that was to install. Let's take a moment and think about that was the install. After I tied her down, that's it. We just let the lace marinate, and that's it. When I tell you, you can do it too. Queen, you can do it too. Now for the moment of blurry truth. No, I'm just playing, girl. It's going to clear up. It's going to clear up in a bit. Okay, there we go. Check out that lace, girl. Check it out. I mean, what lace, to be honest with you? At this point, it's my hair. Ashimary, round of applause. This is a beauty. We're going to add a little some, just to give it a little some, and that's it. That's a cute little 1-2, and you out the door. That's it, girl. Look at them curls. So pretty. So cute. So natural looking. And I still can't find the lace. She has left the building, girl. She ran off. Ashimary Hair did their thing, and I love her. She is linked in the description box below. And look at that. Here's the shake test. A little dizzy, but I'm good. She's snug. She ain't going nowhere with all that straps and the tucking of the combs she ain't going nowhere. She is stuck to my head. We are one.
Should you ever feel the need to wonder why? Let me know. 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 Let me know.
Now we're gonna do a little cute little updo, just a little something, nothing too major. Nothing too major.
Let me know. 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 Let me know.
Oh, Queen, you still here? I truly appreciate you, girl. Make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. You will find a link to this beauty in the description box below. And make sure you are subscribed so that you can keep vibing with your girl. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.
Let me